In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SMTP settings with Hostinger for your email client. Setting up your SMTP settings can seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through every step to ensure you have a smooth and seamless process. By the end of this video, you'll have your email client configured properly and ready to go. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. If you haven't already, open your web browser and go to Hostinger's website. Enter your account credentials, your email and password, then click that login button. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard. Here, you have access to various tools and settings to manage your hosting experience efficiently. Now, to set up the SMTP settings, look at the top navigation bar and find the option labeled Emails. Click on it, and this will take you to your email management area. This page is designed to help you configure and manage your email accounts linked with your domain. Once you're there, look for SMTP settings. Clicking on this will give you a detailed view of your SMTP configuration that you'll need for your email client. Next, you will see the specific SMTP server and port details that Hostinger provides. Take note of these because you'll need to input them into your email client. Typically, the SMTP server is a specific URL that contains your domain name, and the port number is usually a standard one used for SMTP, like 587 or 465. These settings allow your email client to connect to the server securely. With your SMTP server and port number handy, open your email client. This might be Outlook, Gmail, Thunderbird, or another service you're using. Navigate to the section where you can configure your email account details. You should find options to manually input or edit your outgoing mail server settings, which is where the SMTP information comes in. Input the SMTP server address in the designated field and specify the port number that you noted earlier. Before you finish, there's one more crucial step to ensure the configuration works correctly, and that's enabling authentication. Often in the account settings, you'll find an option labeled Outgoing Server Authentication, or something similar. Ensure that this is checked or enabled. This ensures that your email client can securely connect to the SMTP server and send emails without any issues. It's key for protecting your emails and ensuring they reach their intended recipients without hiccups. And there you have it. Once you've filled out all those details and enabled authentication, save your settings. At this point, your email client should be fully set up with Hostinger's SMTP settings. Try sending a test email to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any snags, double-check all entries for accuracy. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it was helpful and that you're now ready to send emails with confidence using your Hostinger SMTP settings.